What's up guys, it's NATO Crawford and today we're going to be building my 2024 KTM 250 SXF. Come on in. KTM has this really cool online configurator on their ktm.com website, so we're going to jump on here and build it now. So obviously guys, on here on the website at the moment you can clearly see we've only got a bit of a 252 stroke. We're obviously going to be building the 250 SXF, but you're going to get the general idea on what we're trying to achieve here, so let's just jump straight into it. So just up here on the right hand side of the screen, you have the power parts option. When you open up the power parts option, this is basically where you can upgrade everything on your motorcycle that KTM have in the power parts area. But for us, we're going to be starting down here in trim parts and decals. So if you scroll down pretty much to the very bottom here, you can see you have all four of your colors on your plastics kit. So you got the white, orange, black and blue. Basically, yeah, you just click on the add button there and then that will just, transfer it straight over to your bike. But I think this morning we're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna go with the blue front end and then the black rear end. So let's see what it looks like. Clearly, as you can see, super easy. Click on the add tool here. It adds it straight onto the bike without having to do anything else. Start to get the blue front end on the bike, got the black rear end, which is obviously starting to look pretty cool. All right, so obviously the last finishing touches on the bike, we're just gonna put a sticker kit on the bike. So obviously we come back over here to the power parts icon. In the same selection tab that you had before, you'll find sort of all your sticker kits and everything in here, but I'm gonna change it up just a little bit more and we're gonna go to our guys at Custom MX and make something pretty cool. So once you're happy with your sticker kit and you're real happy with how the bike's looking, we head back over here to the tools icon for the last time. The top icon up here is a bit of a highlight reel. Pick one or two and this will just give you a bit of an overview on how your bike looks so far. All right, so the sticker kit's on, you've got your highlight reel, you're happy with how the bikes look. We're gonna come around here, we're gonna jump into the PDF. So once you've gone into your PDF, clearly here, as you can see, you've got your bike, and you can scroll down, you can come down to all your part numbers and everything that you've selected. You got your part number here, price, obviously the item, and then you can send this on to your local dealer. I'm gonna send this off to Jonesy and hopefully it's waiting in the workshop ready to go. Got this. Oh, got a big go on the stand. All right, we've just built this brand new KTM 250 SXF. We're now waiting on my mechanic Jonesy to come and bring me my power parts.
Hey Nathan, what's this box for?
What do you mean, bro? You don't know what it's for?
No.
Well, it's for the My Bike build that I built on the online configurator. How do you not know what that is?
What, are you building a bike?
I thought you were.
I'm not building it, I've got Supercross. It's up to you.
Alright, I'm sure you've all seen how this works. Oh, looks like snap-on tools it is.
Right, tell me where we're at.
All plastics are off. Time to put the colour into it, I reckon. So we're going to start putting all the plastics back on now and she's going to come back together pretty quickly. Pretty good on the tools. I think Jonesy's going to have to be careful, otherwise I'm going to replace him soon, I reckon. Initial thoughts, I think it's not too bad. Good to go. Keep going. Righty, the plastics are on. The bike looks good, looks fast, but the best is yet to come. Come with me. I got in touch with my guys at Custom MX. I had a vision, I gave it to them. They created some magic. Just here we've got the Custom MX graphics kit that's going on the bike. As you can see, the kit looks unreal. The guys over at Custom MX crushed it. So let's get this thing on the bike. Alrighty guys, bike build is done. Honestly, this was too easy. KTM have such a wide variety of plastics kit you can find on the online configurator. If you order them through your KTM authorised dealership, I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.